Beneath the full moon, the jungle is bathed in an ethereal glow, its silence broken only by the chirps of cricket. The air hangs heavy, thick with the unseen life of the jungle. A river winds through the jungle's heart, its surface shimmering like liquid silver. Distant calls of unseen animals echo through the night. Magic permeates the lush, quiet jungle, turning the ordinary into something extraordinary. Under the moon's gaze, the river emanates an otherworldly light, bathing the night in an ethereal glow. The river's luminescence intensifies, painting the surrounding trees with an enchanting silvery hue. Fireflies dance and twirl at the water's edge, their tiny lights merging with the river's magical aura. The air shimmers with an unseen energy, pulsing from the heart of the glowing river. The river radiates a mystical essence, its gentle light reflecting in the dark, silent tree. The night sky mirrors the river's glow, creating a scene of profound, enchanting beauty. Under the cloak of night, Shera approaches the glowing river, his tiger eyes mirroring the ethereal shimmer. Confidence radiates from his powerful stride as he steps closer to the luminous water's edge. The river pulses with an otherworldly light, captivating Shera as he gazes into its depths. Unseen eyes watch from the shadows, animals lurking nearby, their presence unknown to the tiger. Beneath the moonlit canopy, a glowing river snakes through the ancient forest, its waters shimmering with an otherworldly light. A clever monkey leaps effortlessly, its eyes mirroring the river's ethereal glow. With delicate grace, a gentle deer treads the forest floor, drawn to the river's mysterious call. A tiny squirrel, bushy tail twitching, scurries along the ground, its curiosity piqued by the radiant waters. The forest pulses with life, each creature drawn to the river's enchanting glow. All are united by the river's magic, bathed in its luminous embrace under the watchful eyes of the ancient trees. Beneath the soft glow of the bioluminescent river, a monkey sits perched high on a rock, his fur shimmering in the ethereal light. He strikes a boastful pose, chest puffed out, a tiny king surveying his glowing domain. His voice echoes in the night, filled with self-importance. I am the most important. From the treetops I warn everyone of danger, he proclaims, his silhouette framed by the mystical river. Beneath the moonlit sky, a glowing river winds through the landscape, its ethereal light painting the night. A deer emerges from the shadows, her form silhouetted against the river's glow, her large eyes reflecting ancient wisdom. She lifts her head, a serene expression on her face, her gaze steady and knowing. My ears hear what others cannot, she says. My speed saves lives. I am the most important, she asserts gently but firmly. Under the night sky, a glowing river reflects in the squirrel's bright, beady eyes. The squirrel puffs out his small chest, tiny paws clenched into fists. Determination shines in his eyes, a tiny warrior ready for any challenge. His voice rings out, echoing in the night. I plant the forest with seeds and nuts. Trees grow because of me, he declares, pride swelling with each word. The glowing river seems to listen, reflecting the squirrel's bold claim. Under the moon's gaze, a river glows with ethereal light as Shera stands poised at its bank, a storm brewing within his eyes. Muscles coiled, Shera's figure is the embodiment of raw power and barely contained rage. Enough. Shera's voice shatters the night's silence, a challenge thrown to the very stars above. His chest heaves as he proclaims, "I am the strongest." Each word a hammer blow against the tranquility. When I walk, the jungle trembles. "I am above all of you," Shera roars, claiming his dominion over the world. The glowing river reflects a deceptively tranquil night as animal voices begin to rise in a frenzied crescendo. Startled birds explode from the trees, their wings beating a frantic rhythm against the encroaching darkness. The chorus of frogs, once a comforting symphony, abruptly silences, leaving an unsettling void. Fireflies, sensing a shift in the balance, begin to dim, their ethereal glow fading like dying embers. An unseen terror grips the glowing riverbank, casting a pall of dread over the once vibrant scene. The tranquil night is shattered, replaced by an impending turmoil that threatens to consume everything. The glowing river's tranquil surface shatters, ripples spreading from an unknown source. Moonlight intensifies, coalescing into an ethereal face on the water. The face shimmers, its otherworldly glow captivating and ominous. An unseen force stirs beneath the surface, disturbing the river's peace. Moonlight silvers the jungle, casting long shadows as a river glows with an otherworldly light. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic blossoms. The river's surface shimmers, reflecting 1,000 stars in its ethereal depths. Riva, V-O. You drink the same water, you breathe the same air, you walk on the same soil. How can one life be greater than another? Bathed in ethereal light, the river glows, its voice resonating through the silent night. Creatures of the wild stand frozen, their eyes wide with awe, captivated by the river's potent words. A profound silence descends, broken only by the gentle murmur of the glowing river. The animals exchange knowing glances, a newfound humility and understanding blossoming in their hearts. The river glows, mirroring starlight in an ethereal dance, its surface alive with shimmering reflections. An echoing voice carries ancient wisdom through the night, its words resonating with profound weight. "Without trees there is no shade," the voice proclaims, its tone both solemn and instructive. "Without hunters, balance is lost," the voice continues, emphasizing the fragility of their world's harmony. "Each of you is different, but none of you is above the rest," the narration concludes. A lesson in unity and respect. The glowing river stills, its radiant surface mirroring the tranquil night. A cool breeze stirs the jungle canopy, whispering secrets through the leaves. The jungle exhales, a collective sigh of relief echoing through the stillness. Peace descends, blanketing the glowing river in a serene, ethereal light. The air, thick with night flowers, hangs over the glowing river, its surface alive with starlight. Monkey's shoulders slump with regret as he admits, "I spoke too proudly." Deer smiles, eyes reflecting the river's glow. "And I forgot humility." Barely audible, Squirrel whispers, "Small does not mean unimportant." Shera's fingers graze the glowing water, a lesson learned. Strength without respect is weakness. The animals gather by the glowing river, their silhouettes stark against the ethereal light. Side by side, they drink in silence, a newfound respect blossoming in their hearts. Harmony returns to the jungle, reflected in the tranquil surface of the radiant waters. Like stars descending, the fireflies illuminate the night, guiding spirits in the darkness. A symphony of light and shadow celebrates the restored balance, a testament to nature's resilience.